Hello there. How are you? Welcome to my dining room. Today I need to make a present for my best friend who's going to be turning 50 very soon. And I need to make him a present. I've had a big walk through the house and I ended up in the kitchen where I found just the thing I need. In this bag is just a little bit of pasta left over from dinner last night. It's not enough that we can turn into a meal for all of us, so it's perfect to use for our activity. We're going to make a necklace today. That's something that my friend doesn't have, and it's something that he will find quite special. So if you would like to make a necklace for a special person at your house, how about you go and get a little bit of pasta. Now this pasta here is a tube. You see that? As you can check, if you can put it up to your eye and see through it, then it's going to work. I can see you, it's like having binoculars. Pasta, there's a tube. Might be this kind, might be macaroni, something like that. See what you've got. Take your big person into the kitchen and see what's spare. You're also going to need some paint. You're going to need a brush, a jug of water, a piece of string, and a plate or a tray. Okay, go gather up your things and come back and join me. Right. Got my pasta noodles here. Now I've painted a lot of mine already, so I'm just going to do one with you now. I've got my brush all ready. I'm going to get some black paint here. I want to see what black's going to be like on my pasta noodle. Big strokes, get it nice and covered. There we go. There we go, just like that. That's one done. Now, like I said, I did a lot of mine already while I was waiting for you. And they're all here, all lined up, ready to go. So this wet one, I'm going to pop on the tray, all by itself over here, and that will dry while we're threading up the other ones. But let me show you what I've got. I've got red and yellow and pink and green, great, purple and orange, good, and blue. And then I've got it again. Red and yellow and pink and green. Oh, I've lost a purple. Purple and orange and blue. I need to make another purple. Otherwise my pattern won't work. Lucky I've got my purple paint here. Get a little squirt there. Get one of my spare noodles, my spare pasta. And I've got another brush here ready to go. Lucky. Okay, some purple. Now, I've got a piece of string. Good, I've only managed to find one piece of string in my house. Do you have much string in your house? I'm going to use this string for lots and lots of different projects. So I'm going to have to keep remaking this necklace for my friend. There we go. Here's another purple one. Lucky. Okay, that needs to dry with the black one now. Good. Now, next thing we need to do is think about how we want to put them. Now, I would like to make a pattern today. I would like to make a pattern that looks like a rainbow. So that will be like we have them here. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue, Now I need to do it again. Sing it with me. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. Now we've got a rainbow. Now I used to think that rainbows went like this, like that, because that's how you see them in books and lots of drawings. But if you look out, you see rainbows and they stretch across, and you don't often see both ends or even any of the ends because they have things in front of them. But one day, oh, here's string, and while we chat, let's thread our necklace. Get our red, pop it on. What colours will you choose? Oh, as I was saying, one day I looked out the window and I saw a rainbow unlike any other rainbow I've ever seen. It was near the sun, and it was a circle rainbow all the way around the sun, and it was the most amazing thing I think I've ever seen in the sky. It was such a surprise. I took a photo of it, but sometimes cameras don't capture things the same way that you actually see them. So I took my photo to share with people, and then I put my camera away. I just sat there and I looked at it and I looked at it because I thought this is something I might not ever see again. So now I've got it in my memory and I can use it whenever I want in my imagination. So I'm just threading them one by one. Let's check and see what we've got. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and where's our blue? Here's our blue. Pop that on. Blue. Okay, let's do the next one. What's next? Can you see that there? What's the next colour I need? Red, orange, pink, green, purple, orange, blue. Next one I need is the red again. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple. That purple's quite light, isn't it? Purple and orange. Threading it through just like that, and blue. Who do you think you might make the necklace for? You've got someone in your house that you think is maybe you could make a necklace for them? You could make more than one. It depends on how much pasta you've got. It depends on how much is spare. Now I'm going to finish this off with a black one. Now that doesn't suit my pattern, does it? This is a random one. I quite like throwing a random thing into things. Next thing I need to do is bring my string around and just tie it. Tie it off there. Oh, actually, I might want a bit of a longer string at the end there because I want to tie it in a bow. So I'm going to make them the same length. I'm going to hold it up nice and high. I'm going to wiggle those through and check that they're the same length. Can you see that? The same length here. I hold it up here. And I go like this, I tie it in a knot to bring those two together. So now the black and the red are together, and I have got a circle. There's my rainbow circle, just like that. Now I'm going to put that away somewhere safe. And then I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to give it to my friend for his birthday. And if it doesn't quite fit him, I've just left it with a knot and a bow there, so I can change that if we need to. Now, let's just count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces of pasta makes this rainbow necklace. How many will you need to make yours? Bye.